Let's make gluten-free Irish soda bread. I made these loaves this past weekend with my corned beef and cabbage. This recipe I use every year around St. Patrick's Day. You'll need a round cake pan to form the bread. Trace around the pan on a piece of parchment paper and lay it in the bottom of the pan. Next, scoop and level 4 cups of gluten-free flour. I use King Arthur measure for measure flour and it works well. Then add 1/4 a cup of sugar, 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt and whisk together. In a large measuring cup, add 2 cups of buttermilk, 1 egg, and 1/3 cup melted butter that has been cooled. Whisk and add to the dry ingredients. This batter is thick and sticky, so use a spatula to help all the flour incorporate into the dough. I ended up using my hands because it was easier to incorporate all the flour and roll it out on the counter to make the loaf. I made a second loaf with raisins, and you can fold in a cup after the dough is formed. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly flour your counter and hands to form the dough into a ball. Place in the round cake pan and bake for 55 minutes or so. The link to this recipe is in the description and it's super easy, so I hope you enjoy and have fun with it.